Hi, this is Lance and I'm here at beautiful Panama City Beach at the MarineMax location. As we're looking today, we have this new listing. It's a 2,035-foot TIARA Express. This boat has just over 600 hours on twin Caterpillar diesels. As you look at the aft, you can see that this boat also has a 4-foot swim platform. It gives you ample space for you to be able to get in and out of the water with ease access with a beautiful 4-foot extended ladder. In addition to that, you have unbelievable space for storage for all kinds of water toys, inflatables, everything that you can imagine that you want to put in there to be able to have easy access as you're getting on and off the boat. In addition, what I like for you to be able to see before we enter the boat, you can see that it does have new electronics. It has a Garmin radar, also rear view camera. As we approach the boat, you will also notice that the canvas is a full enclosure canvas in excellent condition, along with all of the bolsters, the cushions, the seating is in fantastic shape. And before we get into the boat, I also want to let y'all know that this boat has been so well taken care of by the owner. He has spent no expense on keeping it in very good working condition. The cabin is absolutely meticulously taken care of. The wood flooring is a must to see. So I'm excited for y'all to come on board with me. And as we board this beautiful boat, you'll notice the tremendous amount of space that we have in the cockpit area of this beautiful boat. It has a 13-foot 9-inch beam. It's one of TIARA's most decorated design boats. It is a mid-sized boat that feels like you're on a much larger yacht. Let's come over and take a look at the helm. And as we approach the helm area, you can see that there is so much room up here to be able to enjoy the view of looking out at where you're going to be voyaging. As you look back, you can see how much room there is and the visibility, even with this beautiful canvas top that we have, that is included in this. As we come up to the station, you'll see that we have Garmin electronics. We have a bow thruster. We have a new Garmin radio, VHF radio. This boat has been meticulously maintained. It has been receiving bottom paint jobs and scrubbing on the bottom on a monthly basis. Okay, now as we're leaving the helm station, something that I think is extremely important to know is that we also have AC here at the helm, which has been a very newly upgraded item to this boat just recently. Now let's go downstairs and see what the fun's going to be like. So as you come into this beautiful cabin area, you can see that this is over 7 feet of headspace. Extremely comfortable. Again, you're on a yacht that has a 13-foot 9-inch beam, which gives you such a large open space. One of the things that I've noticed that this makes so much sense for both casually cruising and staying overnight trips, or if it's something you want to spend longer time periods with, you have the ability to close off this area here, which this spot makes into another wonderful cabin. In addition, you have your own TV set right here and easy access to all your control panels. Hey everybody, so here we are. You can see that we have a very good size headspace in here. Again, it's extremely spacious, gives you all the luxuries that you need. You have plenty of room to be able to shower and do all the things that you need to do to be able to keep on a longer trip and feel comfortable. Okay, now that we've been able to see the front part of the cabin, now we're going to go back over towards the bow side, be able to see that you have, again, ample space to be able to walk in. You don't have to have a step up to go in. You can walk straight in, and you're able to have a fantastic area here that is easily accommodating for 2 people. You have a TV built in. You have a nice skylight that comes through this area. Great lighting if you want to read or if you want to watch TV. You have beautiful storage in here to be able to hang your clothes, be able to have all the excess area that you need. And as we walk out of the cabin, you can see that you have fantastic countertop space, beautiful kitchen, new microwave, plenty of storage. This boat has fantastic storage. You can see how much room there is in here. For a 35-foot cruising yacht, this boat feels more like it's in the 40-foot class. And before closing off, I just want to tell everybody that this is such a great opportunity to be able to get into a class of boat that gives you so many different options. Before we get out of this wonderfully AC enclosed cabin, I want to tell everyone thank you very much for this time. I'm Lance Mullins. My phone number is 602-695-3424. I look forward to hearing from you.